Most ports in the North Atlantic are situated on continental shelves, making the journey to deep water long and arduous. But Bermuda is different. The island of Bermuda is basically the tip of a very steep mountain, most of which is underwater. Measured from the sea floor, this mountain is about 4,500 meters, or almost 3 miles high. Setting off from this mountaintop, we will reach deep water in less than an hour. The captain of the Miss Wendy is Teddy Tucker, a native of Bermuda and an encyclopedia of the sea. Teddy has spent most of his 70-plus years at sea, searching for the wonders hidden below the surface. We have entered the pelagic zone, the name scientists give to the vast expanse of open ocean.
Coming right down and throw the net over.
In his years of exploring the deep waters off Bermuda, Teddy has devised a simple technique for finding out what swims below his boat, using a net, a jar, and one very long rope.
Chuck out clear. Okay. Going down about 400 fathoms, which is 2,400 feet. And it's down there, it's blacker than the inside of Barney's cow. Yeah, over the years out here, I've seen a tremendous change. The sharks have disappeared. You don't see the amount of tuna fish and the jacks and stuff that used to be out here in the open ocean. All fished out. Hey, that's it. Let's see what we catch in an hour and a half. Round and round went the flipping great wheel. There it is. By God, look at it. Now, come over here and take hold of it.
The jar is filled with tiny organisms like shrimp, copepods, and arrowworms. Plus one fish, a snapper named for its glassy eyes.
It is a real deep water creature.